So welcome to the project of ATM security system. So in this project we are going to detect the theft in the ATM system, ATM section like ATM machines. So the theft will be detected with the help of vibration sensor. So here we are interfacing the vibration sensor through the LM35H comparator and op amp. So it will act the both case, and the comparator output will be given to the Arduino Uno board. So here we will get the digital output from that module, and 0 or 1. So whenever the vibration is detected, it will give the 1, and whenever there is no vibrations, it will give the 0. And this particular signal will be given to the my Arduino Uno pin of 10th pin, and based on this input from the sensor, the Arduino Uno will make the decision and send the message alerts to the predefined stored number through this GSM module. The GSM module interface with 8 and 9 pins of Uno board, and the LCD interfaced at the 2 to 7. So we will get the visual alerts on the LCD screen, and also we will get the audible alert through the buzzer, which will connect at 12th pin. And also we presented servo motor as a door locking system whenever the theft is occurred. And this is the breadboard connection board. So from this board we are going to distribute the 5 volts power supply to these different modules. So these are the input and output modules of the projects, and let us see the demonstration. So here we need to we need to place the SIM card, valid SIM card inside the GSM modem, and it should have the SMS balance, and it should not it should be Airtel or VI or BSNL. And after inserting the SIM card into this GSM modem, so before switching on this power supply, we need to hold this reset switch. So why? Because I'll tell you. So after inserting the power supply, first observe the one green light blinks at a duration of 1 second. Means it is searching for the signal. Once it gets the signal, so the blinking rate will be slowed down to 3 seconds. So the 3 seconds duration nothing but indicated as, so the GSM. So here as we said, so initially it will blinks for 1 second duration. Now it's 3 seconds duration. Means it got the signal. So why? Because this is very important step before switching on the whole kit. So when you switch on the Arduino Uno board, so it will start sending the AT commands to make the GSM modem ready to send the messages. So when the SIM card didn't get the signal, if the Arduino Uno send the AT commands to the GSM modem, so then later on the so-called message AT commands will not be received by this GSM module, and it can't send the messages. So that's why we should hold the reset switch till the GSM modem got the signal, and then release the switch. So then there will be a welcome message on the screen. And so now the status is normal. As we said that already, the the servo motor goes to the initial position. Whenever the vibration is detected on the screen, on this vibration sensor, the door will be locked and the status will be alerts, and will get the message alerts in your phone. Right. So alert theft detected. This message will be received. So in order to off the buzzer, we need to reset the microcontroller Arduino Uno board. Right, I got the message again. Right. Okay.